So, houten mooien bij plan as vuren mam velo zu Dräi Länner Eck tussen Luxembourg, the Belgium and Germany. So first thing I did, take the train to Elven. From here, I will now ride my bike to this Dräi Länner Eck. Here it goes. Let's see what happens. Wait. Yippee, 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 yay, dat is de Auren. Great, so that is de Belgium, little village in Belgium. It's the little part of Belgium that hangs down between Luxembourg and Germany. Das Dräi Länner Eck, Belgium, Deutschland, Luxembourg. Le pays des trois frontières, Belgique, Allemand, Luxembourg. Dräi Länner Eck, right there in the middle would be one single point with 3 countries. Incroyable. So when I'm in Estranac, I like to throw stone across the river into Germany. So here I'm going to throw one from Belgium into Luxembourg. Now I'm going to throw one into Germany. I wonder if it's possible to throw 2 stones into 2 different countries at the same time. That's sort of killing 2 birds with... I'm gonna give it a try, one try. Oh. Like this. There we go. Close enough. So this all pleases me to no end. For what? Ich weiß nicht. Maybe because you can't do this in a whole lot of places. You can't be in one spot and be in 3 different countries. I think for an American it really appeals to me because, you know, we have these borders with Canada and Mexico, and the orange idiot who's running for president wants to build a big wall on the one side. And on the other side, even though into Canada, even though there's never really been any hostilities, you can't cross into it very easily. You know, you can do it, but it's a hassle. You got to go through the border cross and blah, blah, blah. And it forever fascinates me that in Luxembourg and in Europe, you know, you can do that. You can go into Germany with no problem. Germany, which took over Luxembourg twice within the last 100 years. But they made their peace. You get along. So to me, that's beautiful. You know, regardless of the worst things that happen, you can get along. I sound like I'm philosophizing. No, it's fun. I think this is just really, really cool to be able to be so, just to be able to step from one country into another. I love it. Love it.